Hi guys! Welcome to this new episode where we're gonna be exploring top 5 coffee shops in Beirut, and I have a guest today, Reina Aris. She is a content creator, she's popular on TikTok, she also does vlogs on YouTube, and I'm really happy that today we're gonna be exploring coffee shops together.
Me too.
Yay.
I love drinking coffee.
Let's go guys, and we start with back burner since we are in Saifi. Can we talk about how it's going so crowded in Saifi? Like,
Yeah, especially now when the new restaurants will open, I'm so excited.
look at back burner, you need to stay in line now to get a coffee. By the way, what are we getting?
They have the best oat milk, honey oat milk latte.
Yeah, I like that they have like a lot of variety of milks. I like oat milk also, but I also like almond.
Yeah, it's good as
So
well.
I think I'm gonna get maybe cappuccino with almond milk. By the way, guys, fun fact, Rena comes to back burner every single day, she said.
Yes, if you watch my vlog, you will see that because I love it. I love the company here. I love everyone here, and all my friends come here. So for Secret Santa, my friend got me a week of free drinks, and this specific drink, like they told her.
That's one good Secret Santa.
Yes.
I would like that also. If my future Secret Santa is watching. The cool thing is that the oat milk that Rena likes here,
It's only here, like you can't find it anywhere, and they get it from London. So anyone in Lebanon knows from where I can get OT barista style. Call me.
Okay guys, we have 4 more coffee shops to visit and I hope Rena is gonna like them. Now we're done with the first coffee shop and we are moving to the Sip in Jemaize, and that's also one of my most favorite coffee shops. Our friend is taking us to the next destination. Actually, Rena, do you drive?
No, I never drove in my life.
Why?
Because I've always had older friends, so I'm used to them dropping me everywhere, and then I never learned how to drive. And I think I wouldn't like it, especially here because it's so crowded and I would get anxiety.
So you would like never want to learn?
No, I don't think so.
No way. I like driving in Lebanon. I don't know. I feel like it's nice when you have a car, you can get like everywhere yourself.
Yeah, it's more convenient.
But I guess like if you have a lot of friends who
Yeah.
have cars and they drive, yeah, I don't know. Well, Ren is lucky to have good friends. So we arrived to destination number 2, Sip. It's your first time here?
No, I used to order it, but I never like came here. But the aesthetic of the place is so cute.
I personally come to Sip like a lot.
So Sip is your back burner.
Yeah, kinda, because I think Rena, she likes places that are very like crowded and
Yeah,
you see like your
socialize.
friends. You like to socialize. Me, I like not to socialize.
Quiet.
I like to sit in the corner with my book and my laptop and hide from people. This is why this is my go-to place. Okay, so we're gonna order now our drinks. What do you feel like having?
I don't know. You recommend the drink.
Okay, I like hard coffee. I mean strong, strong coffee. Like I like Americano. So I think I'm gonna go for Americano. Do you like
Yeah,
this? Okay, should we just try their Americano then? They also have here really good smoothies, like the one with like avocado, peanut butter. It's nice, it's filling. But
I
I
like
think,
breakfast.
but I think we'll do Americano. Hi, Bologna. My favorite one in my favorite coffee shop. Can you tell us please more about your dessert?
Desserts, yeah.
Because
There's
we're
banana
thinking-
cake, there's pumpkin cake, brownies, Kalei Coffee, and oat cookies.
Maybe we take this one, the banana cake, and the healthy one. Thank you. So I met Yara right now at Sip. She recognized me and I'm telling her she doesn't look Lebanese, guys.
Fully Lebanese, guys. 100% Lebanon.
And she looks like she's from Britain or I don't know, France. You're very sweet.
You're so sweet, and I think everyone also here agrees with me. Thank you so much for everything you're doing for our country. I told her she's not Lebanese, but she's more Lebanese than us.
Yeah,
So
I'm
thank you for
becoming
that.
Lebanese. Let's sip. Cheers. It's hot.
Yeah.
We have to wait. Taste test. Banana bread and some chocolate cookies, I
I
guess.
think it's like oat chocolate chip.
Yeah. They said it's like a healthy one. So
They both look very good. Which one do you want to try first?
let's do the banana one.
Okay, go.
Nice.
It's so good.
Also feels very healthy, like.
Yeah, it's not
so-
very sugary. It's
Cheers.
soft.
It's very soft, super fresh.
Half nuts.
It's very nice.
I liked it.
I like it.
Me too.
It's very good quality beans.
Yes. It's not super strong, which I like.
So are you ready for a third vacation?
Yes, I'm so ready.
Where are we going now?
We're going to Slow.
Yes, we're going to Slow from Jamaica to Marmhail. Let's go, guys. And we are at Slow. Our third location.
First,
It's your first time here, right?
no, I came 5 years ago maybe when they first opened. But I love it.
I
like
brought
the
Reina
interior.
back.
Yes.
I love this place, honestly. It's so cute, super aesthetic, very nice design, and they also have good coffee and good food. And now we're gonna try it. Oh, it's a nice spot.
So nice because you can see it here.
I got a blooming flower.
And I got ginger tea. You can
cute.
see it, yeah. The pot's so cute.
Okay, so the food arrived. We ordered like some healthy stuff, brunching. This is, by the way, my most favorite bowl in Slow. I'm addicted to it. It's with avocado, peanut butter, banana. It's super yummy and
Nutritious.
So by the way, girls, we have some questions, so we want you to answer them, okay?
Okay.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee, even though we're drinking tea now.
I think coffee wins, but I love tea also a lot.
Do you like being outside or staying indoors more?
Outside.
Outside, of course.
So you're both outgoing.
Yeah. I'm not outgoing, but I'm going out.
What's your favorite social media platform? YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram?
Instagram.
TikTok or YouTube.
But like, I'm starting to love YouTube as well.
Yes.
And by the way, if you're liking this vlog, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on the other episodes. We finished with Slow. Did you like?
I loved it, honestly. The food's so good as well.
Yes, and now we are going to our fourth coffee shop.
And I've never been there.
Yeah, this one I think not many of you guys know. It's located in Hamra and it's called Edda Arabica. They're very known for good quality specialty coffee. So we're gonna try another coffee there. Guys, اليوم في كتير عجة صراحة. So now we arrived to our coffee shop. Let's go order. Hi, how are you? I like your coat.
Yes.
Very nice. Very colorful. Yes. This is Reina, by the way. She's the owner of the Edda Arabica. And she knows a lot about coffee.
Merci. We have a lot of origins. We have the Ethiopian 200 hours. So this is fermented at full 200 hours and it's super yummy. And honestly, like we have...
Oh, these are all the options of
Yeah,
coffee?
Exactly.
No way.
Yeah. So this is the Colombian fermented with strawberries. So you want to have a sip.
It's a bit like...
Yeah, I can. A hint of
nice.
strawberry.
It's very nice.
By the way, basically it's also like a restaurant, so you can have lunch here and they have a coffee shop where you can drink coffee here or take away. And there is also a flower store.
I have an Americano.
Anjad, yes. So this is Americano.
So we're gonna taste the strawberry Americano. Actually, you can taste the strawberry.
Yeah, slightly. So good. Like
Yeah.
it's not in a sweet way. It's in a good way.
It's very good.
Yeah.
Wow. By the way, guys, if you're still watching this video, put a coffee emoji. So after we tried amazing strawberry Americano, it's time to go for cappuccino.
practically like a dessert.
It's very good coffee.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. I like it with the mint. So now we're gonna try one of their specialties. It's a fondant with chocolate and cherries.
Wow, it's so soft.
Right?
Very hot. Very hot. Very hot.
Is it hot? Oh my god.
I like it because it's not sweet. It's like dark chocolate more.
It's very like rich.
Yeah, you can tell like it's good quality dark chocolate.
Very rich in taste, the chocolate.
Yeah, and it's a
Wow.
hint of cherry. It's not overpowering.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Pretty? Yeah, it's my favorite as well.
Okay, we finished with the fourth coffee shop. With the fourth coffee shop, and now we're going to the last one, and it's gonna be Kalei. It's also in Hamra, and I think it's also one of the best coffee shops in terms of specialty coffee. So that's gonna be the last one we're gonna try for the day. So we came to Kalei in Hamra.
The last spot.
Yes. You've been here before.
Yes, yes. I used to study here.
Guys, look at the cake here. It's huge.
Yeah, they're very generous with the portion.
By the way, we ordered like something interesting. Reina
Yeah.
suggested.
Ginger coffee. I love ginger. Do you like ginger?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's different.
and it's good for burning. Like it burns colors. So
Yeah.
that's good. We need that grass. Okay, so this is our ginger iced American
Coffee.
It smells very fresh. There is some grass in it. Yes. It's with like sparkling
It's like fizzy ginger.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
It's like a refreshing drink. Also nice to mention is when you come to a specialty coffee shop, they always have those cards where you can read about the beans that you're having in your coffee. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you liked it. Like, subscribe to my channel, and in the end of every video we always say the word of the day in Russian, and Rena's gonna say it in Arabic. The word of the day today is ginger because Rena really likes ginger tea. So in Russian, ginger is imbir. How's it in Arabic?
Zanjabil.
Nice. Okay guys, thank you and see you in the next vlog. Bye.